Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Umar Al-Hadi bin Syarian Anwar, and today I'll be presenting for my SRE Individual Assignment, which will be using my FYP topic, which is AI-based mental health application, leveraging large language model for personalized support. So the vision is to create a supportive environment that equips students with effective tools and resources to manage stress, practice self-care, and foster meaningful social connection. So the vision is to enable students to understand their abilities, cope with student university stress, and work productively and contribute positively to their academic community. Okay, so the problem statement is that the existing DAS21 app faces significant limitation. It does not support saving user assessment reports in a shareable format, which complicates communication of mental health status with healthcare professionals. So additionally, the app lacks personalized guidance based on assessment result, leaving user without tailored feedback on managing their mental health. So moving on to objectives. So the objective for this project are to identify the AI solution capable of understanding and interpreting user response. Second, to develop a mental wellness application incorporating AI-driven features. And lastly, to conduct user testing to refine the application and ensure its effectiveness. So for the main goals are to enable users to save their assessment result as PDF for easy sharing with healthcare providers, and second, to integrate AI-driven guidance that offers personalized recommendation based on response to the DAS21 questionnaires. So moving on to literature review, focusing in AI in psychology. So first of all is improved communication, where AI enhance communication in mental health application by allowing user to share assessment report with healthcare professionals. So this facilitates better collaboration and informed decision making, leading to more coordinated mental health care. So next is personal support. AI provides tailored feedback based on assessment result, offering users clear and actionable next steps. So this personalization helps users to manage their mental health more effectively and understand their condition in depth. So next is increase user engagement. Personalized recommendations from AI boost users' motivation and adherence to mental health practices. So this increased engagement empowers users to stay proactive in their mental health journey. Moving on to the next one is enhance effectiveness. AI address limitation of existing mental health tools by offering automated report generation and targeted feedback. So this leads to better management of mental health and reduce likelihood of unaddressed issue. And finally, user-centered design. So AI enables user-centered design by adapting individual differences, improving user experience and satisfaction. This approach ensures the app meets diverse needs and enhances overall effectiveness. So moving on to the literature review, report automation. So first of all, a lack of shareable report. So the current limitation in mental health application prevent users from saving and sharing assessment result with healthcare providers. This impedes effective communication and disrupt the continuity of care, making it challenging for users to convey their mental health status accurately. Next is absence of personalized guidance. So the lack of personalized feedback in existing app leaves user without tailored recommendations. So this absence of guidance can lead user feeling overwhelmed and uncertain about how to manage their mental health effectively. So the impact on the treatment decision. So without shareable and personalized report, healthcare providers have limited ability to make informed decision. This limitation hinders the collaborative approach essential for effective mental health management and reducing the quality of care provided. And next is potential for unaddressed issue. So users may struggle with identifying how to seek help or manage symptoms without proper feedback. This has increased the risk of unaddressing mental health concerns, potentially worsening users' condition. And finally, the need for improvement to address these issues, enhancing the app's ability to generate shareable and personalized report is crucial. So improving these features will foster better user engagement and significantly enhance mental health outcomes by providing clear guidance and facilitating better communication with healthcare professionals. So moving on to the context, so first of all is the subject facet. Students use the app for self-assessment while university counselors provide support. The app includes DAS21 questionnaires and PDF report generation, along with mental health resources. So the key process involves completing the DAS21 test and generating shareable PDF document, capturing the app purpose, user-based functionalities within university mental health context. So next is user usage facet. So student self-assessment and counselors offers support. This app workflows include DAS21 assessment and report sharing, accessible via web browser. So it adheres to mental health standards, ensuring proper usage and behavior. So this structure captures users' interaction, key processing and ethical standard in university mental health support context. System facet. So the IT system facet categorize so the next is the IT system facet. The IT system facet categorizes components into 7 types, which is hardware platform, software platform, communication network, peripheral devices, hardware components, policies, and infrastructure. Each type includes an example and brief description providing an overview of the essential IT elements supporting the app. Okay, so moving on to the system architecture. So use case diagram, as you can see the user actor interacting with several use cases within a system boundary. The use case include take DAS21 assessment, display result, download PDF report, and save assessment data. And AI LLM API actor interact with the generate AI feedback use case. Okay, so the diagram illustrates how user interact with the system and how different functionalities are interconnected. The next is data flow diagram. So as we can see in the diagram, it starts with users open the app and end with end. So the diagram includes decision points, data storage, process like taking DAS21 tests and saving result to the database, sending response through an API, and viewing the result and advice. It illustrates the logical flow of data through the system and decision-making processes based on whether the data can be saved or sent successfully. Okay, so next is the sequence diagram. So users answer diagnosis through the UI, and then the calculation of the marks and the prompt making will be done in the control, which is JavaScript, and then it will be saved into the database, and then the database will return saving success, meaning that it is success to save. Okay, and then it will submit the prompt to the AI, and then get back the response, and the response will be embedded to the UI, and then it will be displayed to the user, and then print, and user can see a button which is print result, and if the user press the button, it will generate result PDF through the JavaScript, and the user will get the PDF. So moving on to the methodology, so I choose Agile method because Agile method approach is focused on short cycles of work. It has better communication with stakeholder and continuous improvement. So the progress that I did is first requirement. So the requirement I did is I gathered the software requirement with the counselor by deciding the best application to make, which is DAS21, and then we decide to move platform from Power App to website, and we decide to make a auto PDF report so student can go to the clinic easier with it. So next is the design. So the design part, I designed the application architecture together with the UI design, and I will review it back the design with the stakeholder. So moving on to expected results. So here are the UI that I designed. Okay, so for the Gantt chart, it's divided to two parts. And normally for FYP, it's the FYP 1 and FYP 2. But basically here what we can say is that it's first it's about software requirement, and the next session is about the software development. So the green one is the one that I have done, and the gray one is the one that I haven't done yet. So the tools that will be used is first of all the AI LLM model, and then the DAS21 questionnaires, and also the HTML website. Okay, so for the budget, there will be two subscriptions, which is first the AI LLM API with a price rate of $0.15. So the total that I will pay is 100 ringgit for it, because I want 100 million tokens inputs. Next is the web hosting, the price rate of 4 ringgit 99 cents per year, and I will be using it for 1 year. So yeah, 4 ringgit 99 cents. Okay, so next is the functional requirement. So the key functional requirement are answering diagnosis question and saving result, generating AI feedback and PDF reports, and providing option to print and download result. So for the non-functional requirements, I'll be highlighting just one for each, I think. So for security, implementing user authentication and secure communication. Next, for the performance, to ensure quick processing and of result and AI responses. So next, for reliability, by conducting stress tests and handling unexpected inputs. And then for usability, ensuring an intuitive interface and immediate visual feedback. So that's all for me. Thank you.